Hey guys, I gotta make this one fast, okay? Here I am cooking up some chicken and getting a little vodka, but look where I'm at. This is just absolutely freaking gorgeous. I mean, damn. But this is what I'm doing. I'm following the river. I'll make it there. Got about 25 miles to go. So, alright. Unfortunate news, my computer will not boot. It goes right to the BIOS and it said the boot management won't work. So I don't know what happened. I might have got hit with a virus. I might have just, my computer might be screwed. I'm not sure. So I won't have too much time to film because I only got a 2 gig memory card. Okay. Alright, well, love that Wetterling axe. Badass. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go up to cooking here. This is food for the next few days, along with some other stuff. And, alright, stay tuned. But this may be it.